7 is perhaps the most important language skill. A. Fluency. B. Frequency. C. Emergency. Welcome to English-Wordology. Don't miss the chance to increase your English words by testing yourself. Let's get started. Choose the correct answer in the following questions. 1. I need some medicine. Is there a near here? A. Bakery. B. Grocery. C. Pharmacy. The correct answer is I need some medicine. Is there a pharmacy near here? What's the meaning of pharmacy? Pharmacy is a store where medicines are prepared and sold. 2. You are the most person I know. You never forget anything and you are never late. A. Well behaved. B. Well organized. C. Well dressed. The correct answer is you are the most well organized person I know. You never forget anything and you are never late. What's the meaning of well organized? Well organized means that you are good at organizing the things you have to do. 3. His uncle is. He is looking for a better job. A. Ambitious. B. Lazy. C. Busy. The correct answer is his uncle is ambitious. He is looking for a better job. What's the meaning of ambitious? Ambitious means having or showing strong desire and determination to succeed. 4. This bank is an company. It has been in business for over 100 years. A. Attended. B. Established. C. Accomplished. The correct answer is this bank is an established company. It has been in business for over 100 years. What's the meaning of established? Established refers to a company that has been in existence for a long time. 5. The company received over 100 CVs from interested A. Applicants. B. Managers. C. Employers. The correct answer is the company received over 100 CVs from interested applicants. What's the meaning of applicants? Applicants means someone who has formally asked for a job. 6. William is the most player in our team. He plays well. A. Forgetful. B. Delightful. C. Skillful. The correct answer is William is the most skillful player in our team. He plays well. What's the meaning of Skillful. Skillful means an ability to do something well because you have practiced the thing over and over again. 7 is perhaps the most important language skill. A. Fluency. B. Frequency. C. Emergency. The correct answer is fluency is perhaps the most important language skill. What's the meaning of fluency? Fluency is the ability to speak or write without stopping or making mistakes. 8. Most of the houses in our are quite old. A. Flat. B. Neighborhood. C. Hotel. The correct answer is most of the houses in our neighborhood are quite old. What's the meaning of neighborhood? Neighborhood is a small area of a town or the people who live there. 9. She is a nurse at our local hospital. She will get her degree next year. A. Trainee. B. Comedy. C. Degree. The correct answer is she is a trainee nurse at our local hospital. She will get her degree next year. What's the meaning of trainee? Trainee refers to someone who's being trained for a job. 10. The accident site was about a mile from the center. A. Daytime. B. Daycare. C. Daylight. The correct answer is the accident site was about a mile from the daycare center. What's the meaning of daycare? Daycare is a center where people who are old or ill can be looked after during the day. Well done! You have completed your quiz successfully. Right now, you have 2 tasks. The first one is to tell us your score. And the second one is to select one word and put it in a meaningful sentence in the comments below. And don't forget to share this quiz with others to help them to increase their own English words. And stay tuned for a new quiz.